Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back in the session of sounds of consonants and vowels in English alphabet. In this session, we will learn the sound of letter W, Y and Z. Okay? So let's, dear students, in English alphabet, the letter this we call W. W. This is capital W and this is small w. Okay? But the sound of this letter is W. ਪਿਛਲੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੇਟਾ ਆਪਾਂ V ਦੀ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਰਾਈਟ ਉਹਦੀ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਸੀ W. This is W and this is W. This is sound of V is W and the sound of W is W. W. Okay? Clear? Little bit difference है बेटा दोनों दी sound दे विच. Okay? Now let's practice the sound of this letter with some words. Repeat after me. War, water, was, waste, wash, well, weak, west, wet, weep, wig, with, win, will, wide, woke, wobe, would, work, woman. Okay, clear? Now move to our Y. Y. We call this letter Y. This is capital Y and this is small y. Okay, but the sound of this letter is Y. Y. And then yagge wala Y. That is okay. Now practice with some words. Start. Repeat each word after me. Yank, yard, yak, yam, yahoo, yeast, yellow, yet, yes, yell, yield, yippee, yip, youth, young, yummy, yawn, yacht, yesterday. Clear? So letter Y sound as Y. Y. Now move to our next. This letter we call Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. Okay? But the sound of this letter is Z. Z. Okay? Clear? एक ਹੁੰਦਾ बेटा ज ਉਹ G ਦੀ ਸਾਊਂਡ G ਲੈਟਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜ ਦੀ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਬਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ Z ਹੈ ਉਹ ਜਜੇ ਪੈਰ ਬਿੰਦੀ z ਦੀ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਓਕੇ z. Now practice with some letters. So now practice of this letter. Let's start. Repeat after me. Okay? Zero, zebra, zen, zipper, zap, zap, zinc, zeal, jing, zoo, zoology, jip, zone, zest, zoom, zigzag. Clear? So, the letter Z sound as Z. Z. Okay? Here one word. Here I write B-U-Z-Z. Sound as buzz. Buzz. Okay? Clear? So dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something new. Now practice with this video to get perfection on the sounds of letter W, Y and Z. So dear students, we will meet again with the sound of next letters. Till then, take care. Bye bye.